Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you how to find a missing app on your Android phone. Let's get straight into it. If an app seems to have disappeared, I'll show you a few simple ways to find it and get it back. I'm starting on the home screen of my Android phone. The first thing I'm going to do is open the app drawer. To do that, I'll swipe up from near the bottom of the screen. The app drawer contains all the apps installed on your phone. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. I'm going to search for eBay. As you can see, the app appears straight away. If this solves your problem and you'd like the app back on your home screen, simply tap and hold the app. A menu will appear. I'm going to ignore those menu options, however, and move the app slightly. This takes me back to the home screen, where I can drag the app icon into position. I'll place it here. If you still can't find the app, it's possible that it's been disabled. Let's take a look at that next. I'm going to open the Settings app. If you can't find Settings, simply tap the Google search bar at the bottom of the screen, search for Settings, and then open the app from the results. I'm going to return to the home screen and open the Settings app from there instead. Once Settings has opened, I'll tap on the Apps option, shown a little way down the page. This page shows recently used apps and gives me access to every app installed on my phone. I'll tap See All Apps to get a view of every app that's available to me. At the top of this new page, you'll see a filter. By default, it's set to All Apps. If I tap it, I can choose to display only disabled apps. I'm going to select the Disabled Apps option. On my phone, there's only one disabled app, Pixel Weather. I'll tap it once. You can immediately tell the app has been disabled because there's an Enable button at the top of the screen. To restore the app, simply tap Enable. The app is now active again and can be found normally. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.